What up, my good people? Welcome back to another episode. Whether you're a long-time viewer or new to the channel, I do appreciate you taking the time as always for joining me. And if you're new here, welcome. Please consider subscribing to the channel and turning on the notification bell so you never miss a video. Create videos anything comic related as well as gaming and ripping packs of trading cards. In this episode, I got a blaster box of 2024 baseball with the exclusive yellow base cards. We'll go ahead and rip this blaster box and hopefully pull something nice. So I'm gonna let the music roll and we are going to get to business. Well, that was a fun rip. I appreciate y'all. As you can see, we did pull a judge. We pulled a couple nice cards like the Kano Gold Rainbow and also the Owen Rangers card, as well as the Otani, sort of a rookie with the elites of the game, and a couple other nice cards as well. So please let me know what's your favorite and what you saw that you liked, and I will see you on the next one. Peace, everybody.